Hey everyone! Get ready to bake the most incredibly moist and fragrant orange cake you've ever tasted. This recipe is super simple, perfect for bakers of all levels, and guaranteed to bring sunshine to your kitchen. Let's dive into this zesty delight. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk ready. The star of the show, the zest and juice of 2 medium oranges. Fresh is best for that vibrant flavor. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this aside. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the buttermilk. Mix until just combined. Finally, fold in the orange zest and orange juice. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool before serving. And there you have it. A stunning, aromatic orange cake that's bursting with citrus flavor. It's perfect for any occasion, from family desserts to a special treat. Serve it plain, with a simple glaze or a dollop of whipped cream. Happy baking, everyone!